Hi, Dave here at Hollybush Railway. Regular viewers might have been wondering where Blink Bonny has been. Well, I'm delighted to say that Blink is back. The loco had developed a fault where the piston rods were jamming and binding up, causing the loco to come to an abrupt halt. I'd tried fixing it myself, but wasn't really getting anywhere. Hornby couldn't take it back, as it was long out of warranty, and had done quite a bit of warranty and validating work to it anyway, fitting a third-party motor with the This Way Works coreless upgrade. I put out a message on the TT120 groups on social media asking for advice, and Richard Turnbull of Model Railworks got in touch, so Blink went off in the post down to him to take a look at. Anyone who knows me knows that I love a good cup of tea, so finding Blink not only repaired but with some Yorkshire tea thrown in, I am one happy customer. Richard sourced a new wheel set, fitted it to the loco, and fixed up the connections to the motor that I'd managed to knock loose when I was trying to repair it myself, and it's just arrived back with me today. He's even thrown in the old wheels, which I've put out into the yard as part of a static diorama scene with a loco being repaired. I am delighted with the job that Richard has done, so please do check out his website at modelrailworks.co.uk. Thanks for watching. Please click the like button. If you haven't subscribed to the channel already, please click subscribe, and I'll see you again soon for another video here at Hollybush Railway.